They said that by 2013, all that LA would be flooded and New York would be flooded. All that's lies.
Okay, but let's forget about what they said in the past. What they're saying now is that carbon dioxide increase is responsible for an increase in the temperature of the Earth.
Which we hope it does. Because
we hope it increases the temperature of the Earth?
The last ice age...
Hold on.
Joe,
the
last ice age...
But the increase in the temperature of the Earth is responsible for the increase in hurricanes, the frequency and the power of the hurricanes.
If you look up the spectrum in the last 100 years, hurricanes have gotten weaker. That's all media hype. But let me just tell you.
Oh, Jesus.
Joe, I swear to God I can prove all this to you. This is so huge for your audience.
Are you a carbon dioxide salesman?
Listen, well, they always say I'm getting money from oil companies. I'm not.